Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna see how to make money by over and over again by just clicking buttons on the browser guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about how to make money over and over again by just clicking but simple buttons guys. And it's legitimate way to make money. It's also PayPal money guys. And without any further ado, let's go to the video guys. Before we go into the video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome video about make money online, YouTube channel tips and Instagram tips guys. If you don't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below guys. Without any further ado, let's go into this video guys. There a website we're gonna see. I don't tell you guys, I tell you in this middle of the video guys, so watch till end guys, and I show this is a legit or scam and people are making some good amount of money with this guys. And this is the website guys. Take survey and get paid guys. Okay guys, this is a survey site. It's not like any survey guys, just clicking one or two buttons and you can get paid guys. Simply you can get paid guys. Click just one button, you can get paid guys. It's not like a hour survey or a minute survey. It's just like a second survey guys. Seconds guys, just you can click a button in a seconds and get paid guys. People are making a $1 in 1 minute or $1 in 1 second guys. It's easy guys, just click some button and get paid guys. And it's paid via PayPal and also gift card guys. And I show how it's work guys, and watch till end guys. And this is how it's work guys. Take some simple surveys and earn reward and redeem this virtual point for PayPal cash and e-gift card guys. The e-gift card means it's the Amazon gift card and other good stuff guys. And it's also available hot cold PayPal cash guys. If you want to withdraw your money via PayPal, go ahead guys, it's available in PayPal option. You can withdraw your money via PayPal guys. And this is the honest review from the people guys. It took some honest hard work but I had some good amount of money this guys. So this is some testimonial. People are making some good amount of money this guys. And this is the options available in this guys. Just to get reward for your participation guys, just as I told you earlier, just to click some good button and make some good amount of money this guys. And you can redeem your point via Amazon gift card and gift card, Target gift card and PayPal money guys. It's also available in PayPal guys, so you can cash out via PayPal guys. Hot cold cash guys, just by clicking a button guys. It's easy guys, as you think guys, just clicking a button and get paid guys. And it's make different as a consumer guys. You can just click button, not a survey guys. It's like typing a survey on full address and where are you from. It's just clicking some buttons and some asking some little question guys, and make you some good amount of money guys. And as I told you, this website is called surveyjunkie.com guys. You probably heard of or not. This is the highest paying website in the internet for survey guys. You can pay it up to $10 per survey guys, or $1 per survey guys, per minute survey, per second survey guys. It's easy money guys. Per minute you can get paid up to $10 guys by just clicking some little button guys. It's easy money. You can make some good amount of money guys. And as I told you earlier, I show the proof. These people are making some good amount of money this guys. This is show. And in this website, 100 points equal to $1 guys. If you reach 100 points, you can redeem your points $1 guys. And the minimum withdrawal amount is $10 guys. And this is the, as I told you guys, 10 points 1 minute guys. It's just a little survey guys. Just click a start survey and just filling out some buttons guys. And 8 points. This is the dashboard look like guys. This is a pointing system. This is also daily pointing system guys. If you go sign up daily, you can get some daily points and redeem those points into your cash guys. And if you sign up 25 points you got, and complete profile 50 points, confirm email 25 points, and 5 points and 10 points for some quick survey guys. Almost it's 1.5 cents dollars guys. Easy money guys, just by clicking a survey. That's easy money guys. And the minimum withdrawal money is $10 guys. You can easily get $10 in 1 minute guys, because it's easy. You can just click some buttons and get some points and redeem those points into cash guys. this is the look like. You can earn 50 points, 25 points by just simply clicking the survey, guys. And come over to this website surveyjunkie.com, guys, and this is legitimate way to make money, guys. As I told you, click join now, guys. It's automatically take you to this page, guys. If you want to sign up with Facebook or Google, or put your email address, guys, just to put your email address and just click this button and click sign up, guys. It's automatically to take you to the dashboard, and you can verify your account, verify your email address before you can start any survey, guys. Once you reach your minimum threshold $10, you can withdraw your money via PayPal or Amazon gift card, and it's also you can withdraw your money or other gift cards, something like Target, guys. And it's highest pay survey, guys. As I told you earlier, you can make some good amount of money with this, guys, because people are making some lots of money with this, guys, just doing or clicking some buttons in their browsers, some just clicking buttons, guys. You need not to perfect in the survey, guys. Just clicking some button survey is the best way to make money, guys, but it's some complicated, guys, because some of the website are doing some long survey or 1 hour survey, something like that, guys. But in Survey Junkie there is also available long survey, guys, but I recommend do some small survey, get some minimum point and some withdraw those point into cash, guys. And this is the options they ask: email address, zip code, date of birth and gender, guys. This is the dashboard look like, and this is the surveyjunkie.com. You can make some little bit of money with this, guys. This is not make you any rich quick, guys, because it's make you some little cash for a big business, guys. If you want to start a big business, go to my channel, subscribe and turn on the bell button, guys, and I post daily video, guys, and you can see those videos and make some big amount of money with this, guys. I hope this video helps you a lot to make money, guys. If it helps you a lot, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.